Dear students, in this video we will see how to work on Classkick and especially how to answer a multiple choice question. So let us see. Your teacher has given you the code that you see here. This is the code. So as a student you can open the app as well as you can go directly to the Classkick and log in or sign up as a student. So as a student, when you log in as a student, it asks you the code, so just enter the code and your name. Proceed. Now here, you as a student on the right side and the teacher on the left side. So this is just now Muhammad has joined and this is Muhammad, and over here you can see Muhammad is on first page, so teacher is tracking you. As soon as you move to the second page, directly teacher will notice that you have moved to the second page. Let us go back to the first page. So the teacher is noticing that you are on the first page. Each page has some specific marks which are very visible to you here, that you can see this is 4 marks. Let us go back and see how to answer. So the first question is a multiple choice answers. You have options here. Normally what does the students do? You have here these options, these different options, 4 options. Normally the students do, they take this pen and they go and circle it as between metal and non-metal it is an ionic bond, so they circle it. Some other students, what they will do, they will just color it. Some other students, what they can do, they take the highlighter and they highlight the whole option, or they highlight this. But look, what did the teacher see like this over here? If the teacher click on your answer, this is the teacher page now, the teacher doesn't see anything yet. The teacher can see 0 marks out of 16, and it's also telling like Muhammad is working here. Simple is that. Now how you can get marks in a multiple choice question? You did a great job but you got 0. Now you have to click over here, take this which is called the select mode. It looks like a mouse. Take this one and go A, B, C, D, whatever is your answer. So your answer was B. Click on B. Okay, and now teacher can see 4 marks. Okay, and what teacher will see it as a green. Let me erase all these. Let me erase the ionic bond and this from the back side. See, now the answer over here with the teacher is green. It shows that you are correct. Let us move to the second without making any mistake. Take the select mode. An electron shared between atoms. So when it is shared, so it is A, so you will click on A. Now directly the teacher sees as correct. Moving to the third, electrons are donated or accepted, ionic bond, so this is B. Now here on the left side, teachers, now you got 12 points out of 16. And the last one, attractions and repulsions between atoms, molecules and surfaces, so this is van der Waals forces, so click on C and the teacher sees as correct. So now you got all 4 answers and you got 16 out of 16 marks here. That's the most important thing that you have to notice, that the teacher will see marks only if you select the answers like this. Please don't select as highlight, don't select as coloring. Just go here on the right side right now, go here on the select mode, take the select mode and do it. Now let us see when Muhammad moves to another page. I will go back on page number 4. Now you see here on your screen that write only number, so it clearly says you write only number. Please do one thing, take the pen now and circle it, learning what does the question says to you, so that you remember. It says write only number where? In the boxes against each term to fill in the blanks. So when you have fill in the blanks, make sure that you follow the instructions properly. So it says that the energy needed to get the chemical started. So this is number 1. Again, if you write number 1 like this, number 2 like this, number 3 like this, number 4 like this, what's happening on the teacher screen? Let's see. Did you get any mark? Nothing. You didn't get any mark. When you take the text and you write like this, you write here as 1, right here write 2, again right here as 3, then you go down again as a text and write here as 4 and write, still it gives you 0 mark. If you look over here, you wrote with the pen, you wrote with the text box. Now I'm going to write just the words, like let's say here, if you as you move next, the teacher can see you wrote activation energy, but you got 0 point. The answer is correct. Now let's move to the second is catalyst. So you wrote perfectly catalyst, teacher can see perfectly catalyst, but still the marks given are 0. The reason behind it, the teacher has given you instructions, please write only numbers. It's clearly written here, write only numbers. So how you get marks? Let's move to the third option. Just click in it and write number 3. Just go to the next mark and click in and write number 4. So now here on the teacher's side, let's see, when you write the numbers just by select mode, when you go here and you took the select mode and you enter here your number, you got 1 point. But when you write with the pen, when you write with the text box, or when you wrote the answer itself, you get 0. So please be careful that you follow the instructions given to you by the teacher, and the most important, while doing multiple choice questions or fill in the blanks, the tool to write is this one that we say as select mode. This one, the mouse, you have to take this mouse and you will be able to answer. Thank you so much and enjoy working on Classkick. Bye.